Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can blur the background of your picture only with the PicsArt application. First, you just need to open the PicsArt application on your phone, and the next thing you need to do is just wait until it's perfectly loaded. Now tap into this plus button and pick the picture that you want to make them blur here. Wait a minute. Great. Now I already got the picture, and let's make the background of this picture become blur. First, you just need to tap into the effects and then tap into the blur section, and then you just need to pick the blur that you want to get. You can do it this, and the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this icon and go click this person to isolate the persons. Now you can see that the person's being blurred, but this is not we are want into this tutorial. We want the background being blurred and the person being clear. Now just tap into the invert, and you will see the background is already blurred, then the picture is clear. Go tap into this checklist button, and you can also adjusting the blur intensity, and then you just need to go adjusting how much the blur sections that you want to get. Now after you're done, just go tap apply and download this picture to get them into your photo collection. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.